update. Got the clutch in from the shop I ordered it from was tunersports.com. Lowest price I could find on the clutch and the flywheel. Debated on whether or not I was going to go with some cheap eBay brand, only because I wanted to give it a try. Give a review on a product that was nearly half the amount of brand names such as ACT, Competition Clutch, Clutch Masters, you name it. So they have brands like FX Racing, F1 Racing, XTR, XTD, all these different brands. I really wanted to give one a try, just to try it. See if it's worth bothering. And then you would know whether or not should I give it a try. There's a few videos on YouTube, people claiming it's worth it, others saying it's not. So I decided, and thanks to my biggest supporter, my wife, I went ahead with the Competition Clutch. I wanted something that I felt could handle some abuse, yet give me a good, comfortable daily driver and track-ready car. So here it is. Ordered this from tunersports.com. This is the Competition Clutch ultra lightweight chromoly flywheel, and it's very nice. I'm going to do a weight versus the ACT ultra lightweight, and we'll see if there's any comparison, any major difference. It's still in the packaging, but from what I can tell, it's got our bearing in place. It's a beautiful, beautiful flywheel. So here it is. There's our flywheel for the project. Beautiful, I gotta say. I love the way it looks. Next, we got our Competition Clutch Stage 3 for the 1998 Honda Prelude. Now, one thing I liked about when I opened this up, a little bit of swag there. Competition Clutch sticker. Who doesn't love, right? Extra 10 horsepower, maybe 20 once you get 2 stickers. They've got how to properly grease your clutch, although I wouldn't be putting any grease on the clutch. Also have a limited warranty in the package. Even the packaging is nice. Very thick plastic, stable, sturdy. Even has a flyer that is void, but nonetheless, get paid to race. I'm not sponsored by Competition Clutch or anybody at this time, although I do recommend certain products because their products benefit my vehicle. So I'm gonna address that. But here is a flyer, get paid to race. It is void after the 31st of December 2018. But if you put these stickers on your car and you win races at specific events in the United States, you get paid. Now, like I said, it's void, so it doesn't really matter, but I thought that was pretty cool. So here we go. Here's this segmented Stage 3 disc. And overall, the packaging is nice. It looks nice. It's got some weight, some girth to it. Very nice Competition Clutch. I like what I see so far. I don't hear no moving parts. Everything seems to be stable. Nothing rattling. You can't argue with that. It looks very nice. I like the way it looks. We'll see how it works. Next, in the package, looks like we've got ourselves Competition Clutch bearing kit. So it comes with a throwout bearing. Looks fairly nice. Even comes with an alignment tool. That is very nice. I like that. One thing I read about in a lot of reviews on the eBay clutch kits was that the bearings were trash. So if you're going to buy one and you're going to end up buying a name brand throwout bearing, then you have to think to yourself, well, they're giving me one of their XTD or FX throwout bearings and I'm not going to use it. And why are you buying the clutch? If it's the only thing you can afford, maybe you're doing a review, fantastic. Show people what it's actually about. But if you're buying it to get by because you only have 180 bucks, you only have 200 bucks, I get it. I'm in the same boat. I ended up pinching pennies to get what I really wanted, something made, hopefully that'll last. So here's our pressure plate, and it is a beauty. I like the way it looks. Nice packaging. This whole box had to cost a little bit more to send it like it is. So that's the unveil. We got our competition clutch setup, stage 3, segmented for the 1998 Honda Prelude with the ultra lightweight 9 to, I think they said 11 pounds. So we'll get some weights in on the difference between the ACT and the competition clutch. So I hope you like what you're seeing. If you do, hey, give me a like, give me a subscribe, and follow in as more videos of things to come. So here's those weights. Thanks, guys. In addition to the unpackaging of the new competition clutch, flywheel, pressure plate, and clutch itself, I wanted to get some weights to see a difference in the ACT that was on the car previously and to what we're going to be installing the new competition clutch series. So here's our pressure plate. We're all at zeros. I'm registering. I know you may not be able to see that, but it is a 10.31, 10.3 pounds. That's the pressure plate. Next, we're going to be weighing a used ACT street disc, and I've got a total pounds of 2.93, so 2.9. Next, we'll include ACT's 9.9 ultra lightweight chromoly flywheel. Let's see if it still weighs what they claim. And I'm registering at 9.83 pounds, so 9.8 total pounds on the flywheel ultralight. Now we're not reusing these, so let's see what our competition clutch series has to offer and the difference of weight. And they're still in the package. We've got the competition clutch ultralight chromoly. Let's see if we can get a weight on that. I know you cannot see the scale itself. I'm registering a 9.8 pounds, a 9.83 pounds. So pretty close. Next, we'll go with the pressure plate. Pressure plate is weighing in at a 9.9 pounds. So it is 9.9 on the pressure plate. So next, we're going to be taking the segmented stage 3, and that registers at a 3.58, so 3.6 pounds. So here I'm going to tally up both ACT and the competition clutch difference. Really, very little difference, being that one was used and the other is brand new in packaging. So thanks for watching, YouTube. If you like what you see, please like, subscribe, let me know what you think. Have a good one.